Siem Reap is not only the gateway to the renowned Angkor Wat temple, but also boasts a lively cultural scene with bustling night markets, traditional Apsara dance performances, and a growing number of contemporary art galleries. The town's French colonial and Chinese-style architecture adds to its unique charm, which makes Siem Reap so magnificent. We've traveled to over 60 countries since leaving the US in 2013. There are few places that we enjoy enough to visit again. However, we loved Cambodia so much that we've revisited Siem Reap 4 times. Now we're excited to share this gem of a destination with you in this video. Welcome to the top 5 things to explore in Siem Reap, Cambodia, a city rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Before we fly to Southeast Asia and explore these unique destinations, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, or hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any amazing and valuable content. With so much to see and do in Siem Reap, it can be overwhelming to decide where to start your exploration. 1. Angkor Wat. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty and history of the largest religious monument in the world. Constructed in the early 12th century, this architectural marvel was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu before becoming a Buddhist temple. Its grandeur is evident in its massive scale, intricate bas reliefs, and stunning towers symbolizing Mount Meru. Surrounded by a vast moat and dense jungle, Angkor Wat captivates with its detailed carvings depicting Hindu epics and celestial beings. As the heart of the ancient Khmer Empire, it stands as a testament to the empire's engineering brilliance and spiritual devotion. 2. Ta Prohm. This temple is one of our favorites and is located in the Angkor region of Cambodia. It is renowned for its enchanting fusion of ancient architecture and nature. Built in the late 12th and early 13th centuries as a Buddhist monastery and university, it is famed for its iconic trees with sprawling roots that have engulfed the temple ruins. This unique feature gives Ta Prohm a mystical, otherworldly atmosphere, making it one of the most photographed and visited temples in the Angkor complex. 3. Bayon Temple. This gem at the center of Angkor Thom in Cambodia is renowned for its 54 towers adorned with 216 enigmatic and smiling faces. Constructed in the late 12th century, this Buddhist temple features intricate bas reliefs depicting historical events, battles, and scenes of daily Khmer life. The unique blend of architectural grandeur and detailed carvings makes Bayon Temple a mesmerizing and essential part of the Angkor archaeological complex. 4. Banteay Srey. Located about 25 kilometers from the main Angkor complex in Cambodia, is celebrated for its exquisite red sandstone carvings. Built in the 10th century and dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva, it features intricate and well-preserved bas reliefs depicting mythological scenes. Known as the Citadel of Women, Banteay Srey stands out for its smaller scale and detailed artistry, making it a jewel of Khmer architecture. 5. Pub Street. Pub Street in Siem Reap, Cambodia, offers a lively blend of nightlife and culinary delights. This bustling pedestrian thoroughfare is lined with vibrant bars, restaurants, and market stalls, serving up a variety of local and international cuisines. Visitors can indulge in Khmer delicacies like fish amok and fried insects, or enjoy refreshing cocktails and local beers. With its energetic atmosphere, live music, and vibrant street performances, Pub Street is a popular destination for both tourists and locals seeking to unwind and savor the evening hours. The key moment is experiencing the sunrise at Angkor Wat, a truly magical and unforgettable experience. In summary, Siem Reap offers a blend of ancient wonders, cultural experiences, and natural beauty that will leave you in awe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel ideas and adventure tips. And remember to collect experiences, not things.